Was very well anticipated that spousal open work permit changes are coming, but yes, now finally they are here. The changes have recently been announced, and these changes are effective from 21st January 2025. If your application is ready and you see that your application's eligibility is not matching as per the new rules announced, then please don't wait. Go ahead and submit your application before January 21st, because it will then be assessed on the basis of the existing rules and not the newly announced rules. Because if you submit your application after 21st January, then the new rules will be applied. As per the new rules, if you are an international student and you want to sponsor your spouse for a spousal open work permit, then you can do so only under 3 conditions. So first is if you are a master's student, and that too the master's program should be of 16 months or longer duration. The second is that you should be enrolled in a doctoral program. And the third one are the few selected eligible programs whose list is there on the IRCC website. If you are a work permit holder in Canada, be it postgraduate work permit, any open work permit, closed work permit, then in this case you are eligible to sponsor your spouse for a spousal open work permit only in this particular scenario. So first is only if your occupation is in a tier 0 or 1 job. If your occupation is in a tier 2 or 3, then yes, you can be eligible, but your occupation should fall under the in-demand occupation category in Canada. So yes, this list of the in-demand occupation in Canada will shortly be shared by IRCC. If you belong to a tier 4 or 5 job, then yes, you will not be able to sponsor your spouse for a spousal open work permit. And there is one additional criteria, that is that when you apply, yes, you are eligible under all the points discussed, but still when you apply at the time of application, the 16 months should be left on your work permit. Then only you will be counted as eligible to apply for a spousal open work permit. 16 months should be remaining on your work permit. Lastly, dependent children are no longer eligible to be sponsored under this program from 21st January 2025.